Chairman of Kaina Foundation, Gurumiyam Latasuna, has emphasized the need for promoting one's own culture in the state. She was speaking at the inaugural function of the production of Kaina Foundation titled Khongthang at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. During the function, cultural dance and thangta were showcased. Speaking further, Latasuna expressed concerns about the adverse impacts of social media and Western culture on the Manipuri arts and culture. She also highlighted the achievements of Kaina Foundation, stating that it has already imparted Manipuri dance to more than 200 students in Mumbai and opened its branch in Manipur.
Kaina Foundation ki pandam di koi amato oiba akhoi Manipur ki yamna cultural ki phiram masida mayam mapanda leiba mayam asu masak takba natana akhoi amato oina akhoi Manipur ki leiba dance and music asibu mayam miyam da matik chana akhoi phongdokpa masini akhoi ki pandam di